What's up, guys? What's going on? Time for another video. It's Sunday. One good way to use your time on Sunday is fix your broken stuff. You know, using this good old quarantine time or whatever. I'm gonna fix the 34. Last time I was driving it, I was actually taking it home to park it, to leave it there, and I broke the transmission on the highway. So it's been sitting for like a month or two, and I got one more transmission because I always break transmissions in this. So I figured I might as well just put it in and make the car drivable. That way it's not just picking up dead space, I guess. So that's what this video is going to be about. But I got some cleaning done in the shop today, so it's looking extra good. How nice and clean it is here. Usually right there was really packed, so now it's nice and empty. But let's get a transmission in this thing. This thing been sitting around, not making any use. I know you guys like 34 videos, so here goes one. All right, so we got transmission out. Audi. Clutch still looking good. That's broke. I got another one there, last one. But I need to swap the transfer case because somebody made this two-wheel drive and cut off the whole thingy. But it's definitely broke. Won't turn no further than that in both directions. It's not even in gear. Poor trans. RIP. All right, well, time to swap it. Let's swap some stuff. We went and got some lunch real quick. Wawa's still open. The big dude showed up, the security guard. He showed up, you know, so we can get some stuff done. Let's get to swapping. All right, so I got my transfer case off. Split. Joey working on the other trans there.
Yep, if you cut up knuckles later, you know.
I'm making a little bit of a mess, but I mean, it's pretty simple. You pull all the bolts that go around it. You got two bolts that hide inside there by the shifter. And then you knock out the little pin. Bam! It's out, just like that. See that? Just like that. I don't know what's taking them so long, but
I'm good to go.
y'all know how it is real hard to find good help, you know? So you just gotta take whatever your friends could offer to you.
If you listen to me, send me another pair of jeans in the mail.
Yeah.
You know, cut up knuckles and all.
So y'all know why Joey Carr never done, because he keep buying fancy clothes.
Yeah, though.
It's good. Alright, cool. Yeah, so we got it all apart. We're gonna put the new one together. I wouldn't call it new. The last living 5-speed at Monster Performance is going into the transmission breaker. Get some silicone on there. Slap her together real quick. And maybe we can do a burnout or something. Celebrate. That's probably a bad idea.
Ooh.
Nah, it's probably a bad idea. Most likely that's a bad idea. I know y'all would like that, but we're trying to keep it together until I can afford a sequential or something like that. So I can put something cool in there. Joey left me. Coming back, bro? You coming back? I'm gonna need a hand in a second. Oh, you?
The muscle? Muscle holding the camera.
Muscle hold the camera. How you sound? How you sound? Alright. Back out.
Yeah, man. That's like a phone. I don't know what I do with that.
See how much muscle you got. You got that?
Pull back?
It's only about like 45 pounds, so
All legs, baby. Carry like a newborn.
look from the back. Look from the back. Yeah. Okay. Look up. Push. Hold it. Oh, there we go.
Oh,
That might have been the wrong
the brain holding the camera too.
I'm gonna cut your insult off. I can't let you get 3 hits.
Better make the video.
It should.
Better.
Ain't making nothing.
You say sex on time.
I'm telling you. Hell no. Oh, we can. No, that one's full of water. Alright. Good? Yeah, we should be good. You got the tooth to the inside? Yeah. They're shining. Wait. Just like that, we got a new tranny, man. It's gonna live a little bit longer again. Not sitting in the corner anymore. Maybe you could make it till FL2K.
That's a long way away, ain't it?
That's a long way away. That's a couple months. That might be hard. Oh, you mad you can get it now? Shop is off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I can't even tell. I don't have a soap.
You can do this.
Yeah.
That's enough. Effort. Okay, so transmission's in. We're gonna get the first start with the new used transmission. First start in 2 months. See if it's still alive. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Okay, so I didn't blow the motor, that's a good thing. See if we got some wheel speed. See if the tranny works. It ain't all back together yet, but you know, you gotta test it out before something happens, you know? So, oh man, that clutch pedal feels shitty. I know. Let's see. So I think we need to bleed the clutch some more. That, I mean, it's still went in gear. Oh, we got some wheel speed. Oh, it's lit. The clutch definitely needs to bleed some more. Well, she's back. I can't be mad at that. One good way to spend my Sunday. Damn it. Alright, so I'm gonna bleed the clutch some more and then we're gonna take it for a spin. See, she still got it. We know she still got it, but gonna finish it up. Go for a drive. Alright, so it's up together, it's running. Josh over here hooking me up with the wash real quick. Then I'm driving it home. It's going home with me tonight. It's going home with me tonight. Hopefully it make it home. I don't break it. And then this guy show up, but he ain't got no beer.
I thought y'all were stacked up. I'll go to the store right now, but y'all know y'all gonna leave. And
Nah, we gonna be here, bro. Go get some beer. We need some beer. George looking like, you want more teas?
I think.
Nah, he don't drink tea.
We don't care.
Joey, I promise, bro, I'm not throwing the bike away, bro. It's okay. I ain't gonna throw it away.
ordered the car.
He wants the bike.
But damn, look how good she looks. I miss this thing. So I'm happy to actually drive it again. I'm gonna rip it going home. I'm gonna try not to break it. And I'll see y'all till next time. All right, y'all take it easy. Psych. I'm gonna sing a Gail a clip of me ripping it.